Disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. Always use this information responsibly and consider the ethical and legal implications before using any such apps. Hello everyone! Have you ever wondered if someone's misusing your photos online? Or maybe you just want to check where your pictures appear on the internet. Or you've come across a lookalike profile and thought, wait, is that really me? Well, if you've had any of these thoughts, then this video is definitely for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to use a powerful tool called Social Catfish, a facial recognition and reverse image search engine, to find where your images appear online. So stay tuned. This one's going to be really helpful. What is Social Catfish? Now, we all know Google as a search engine, but have you ever tried searching the web using a photo instead of words? That's exactly what Social Catfish lets you do. It's a reverse image and people search tool that uses facial recognition to find similar or identical photos from across the internet, including social media, dating sites, and public directories. It's trusted, accurate, and most importantly, easy to use, even for beginners. Now you might be thinking, why should I use Social Catfish? Here's why. User-friendly interface. No complicated setup. Just upload a photo and hit search. Trusted and reliable. Used by professionals for background checks and online investigations. Good accuracy. It uses real-time data sources from social media and the web. Easy to use. Works perfectly for individuals, content creators, or cyber investigators. So whether you're protecting your identity, checking for fake profiles, or tracing an online scam, this tool can be a game changer. Here's a step-by-step procedure on how to use Social Catfish's facial recognition. All right, now let's see how to use it step by step. Step 1. Visit the website. Go to socialcatfish.com. You'll see several options: name, email, phone, username, and image. Click on Image Search to perform a facial recognition search. Step 2. Upload your photo. Choose a clear, front-facing image. Avoid blurry, side-angle, or filtered pictures. Then click Search or Start. Step 3. Wait for the magic. The system will take a few moments to scan public databases, websites, and profiles to find matching or similar photos. Step 4. View the results. You'll get a list of profiles, links, or platforms where similar faces appear online. Some may be your legitimate profiles, others could be impersonators or lookalikes. If you want detailed reports, such as full profiles or additional info, you can unlock them with a premium plan. Here are the real-life use cases of facial recognition search. Personal use. Check where your photos appear. Maybe someone's using your pictures on fake accounts. Cybersecurity and digital investigations. If you're in cybercrime work, you can upload a suspect's image and trace their online presence. Content creators and influencers. Protect your personal brand from misuse or identity theft. Before you start searching, here are a few quick tips for better accuracy. Use high-quality images with your face clearly visible. Crop the photo to focus only on the face. Try different angles or versions if you don't find results the first time. Combine it with Google Image Search or PimEyes for cross-verification, and of course, use it ethically. Always respect privacy and local laws when searching for someone else's images. So friends, that's how you can use Social Catfish to track where your photos appear online. Simple, powerful, and incredibly useful. The link to the official website is in the description below, so go ahead, try it out, and see where your photos show up. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Secure Detective. Your support helps us make more tech explainers every week. And hey, comment below if you tried Social Catfish and found something surprising. I'll read and reply to as many comments as I can. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay smart, and keep learning.